Today I'm going to be making a design for my boots, and I am in Cricut Design Space. Gonna click on New Project, and I have not uploaded it yet, so I want to go to Upload and then Upload Image. I'm going to click on Browse, and then I'm going to download the image from my computer, which is going to be this one, and click Open. Now when you're downloading the image to Cricut Design Space, you always want to click on Complex so that it will be able to show all of your design and not missing anything in your design. And then you're going to click on Continue, and then you're going to click on Apply and Continue. I am using the cut image. I am not using print then cut. I don't have anything to print. So cut image, click on that. And then I'm going to click on Upload. And then again, I'm going to click on the image. Click on Add to Canvas. And then it's going to add the image to the Cricut Design canvas. And I'm going to shrink it down to the size that I want it to be. So it's going to go on my boot, so I wanted a really small size. And that is a good size right there, 3 by 3. May even make it a 2 by 2. I'll leave it at 3 by 3. It's gonna go on my boot. So these are the boots that I'm putting it on. I'm not sure yet if I want to put it on the sides or in the front, but these are the boots that I'm putting on. I'm putting it on both sides, so I'm going to be making 2 different designs. So I want to make 2 of these, so I'm going to right click my mouse here, copy this, and duplicate it because I want 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this, and then I'm going to click Make It on the top right hand corner. How would you load all your materials for this project? On a mat. Continue. 12 by 12 mat size. Continue. And you want to make sure the mirror is on so that the words are facing the right way when it's time to put it on. Everything is good. Move that over a little bit so it has some space. And now I can click Continue. It is looking for my Cricut Explorer now. It is searching for my Cricut Explorer now. It's taking some time here, even though it's on. Alright, and then we're going to click the Everyday Iron On because this is Iron On. And then we're going to click the More because I like to give it more pressure. And the mirror is already on. And that's all for the computer. Now over here, we're going to make sure that the mat is loaded. So you want to press the flashing arrow button to make sure the mat is loaded. And then to get started, you want to press the flashing C button here on your Cricut. And that will get started. Okay, so I am using the Cricut Easy Press Mini, which is this right here, and I already put it to warm. It's already warmed up, and I am going to start on the first shoe right here. The first shoe right here, and I'm gonna put it in the front. So this is how they came out. It came out really good. Look at that. This one came out really good. I like this one. This one came out really good. And this one, the ink is off a little bit on it, but it still looks black. But I just did my boots.